Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. Inside, we're going to do a Margherita Pizza. It's classic, it's the Italian flag colors, it's a perfect pizza. And on the Turkish side, we're going to do Turkish kebabs, chicken kebabs.
Sounds good,
Yeah.
sounds good.
It's going to be very awesome, so grab your glasses, whatever you're drinking, sempre duro,
Cheers.
and let's get to cooking. It's going to be freaking awesome. All right, guys, so for the Turkish chicken kebabs, we have to make a marinade first. We're gonna put the chicken into the marinade, into the fridge for 2 hours. You can keep it a little longer, but we're gonna do 2 hours today. And then everything's gonna get cooked into the wood oven. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get to chopping. All right, guys, to start the marinade, we need to mince 6 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of lemon. So we're gonna cut some fresh lemon, squeeze it into 2 tablespoons, and mince the garlic and get going on this marinade. Okay guys, so the next step is we're going to put everything into the bowl, whisk it all together, then we'll get the chicken in and start marinating. Alright guys, so for our next step, we need to cut the boneless and skinless chicken thighs in halves. So, in cutting this chicken, these poor guys have been watching, drooling all over the place. So I'm going to give them a couple pieces to keep them happy because they're such good boys and they're staying quiet. Stay. Good boys. So the big thing here apparently in the recipe is you got to make sure that the chicken is totally got all the marinade in all the nooks and crannies. So that's why I'm not dumping it in. I put them in one at a time and just make sure that the marinade is through all of it first before you mix it all together. Everything is going perfect right now. So, God, I love wine. We're gonna wrap this with plastic, put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and then stick them on the steak. Tight like a drum. Ooh, run to the hills. See you in 2 hours. The chicken is marinating in the fridge, so we're going to do a little bed that we're going to serve this thing on. So we have some parsley, some onions, some cherry tomatoes, and some cucumber. So as an alternative, if you're doing this dish, you can, when the chicken comes out the kebabs, you put them on some flatbread, you cover it with this, put some tzatziki sauce, wrap it up, and oh, mwah. I don't know how they say it in Turkey, but bellissimo. Back. So we are going to put them on the steak. So with this particular recipe, you use 2. So what we're going to do is when we take the chicken off, we slide them on and we make a nice tight log with 2. And what 2 sticks will do, it makes it a lot easier for flipping and better control. logs are all ready to go into the fire. The fire is looking very nice out there and the coals are looking beautiful. So we put them into nice dense logs, and you start understanding why they ask for the 2 sticks, because when you turn them, they're much easier to manage and handle this way, especially because you got such a dense log. These are going to be friggin' awesome.
So the fire's on, all the ingredients are prepared, and now we're taking a little break. Nick, what do we got here?
We're going to go back to the old school Guinness. It's the master of all the dark beers as far as I'm concerned. There's a lot of good stuff on the market now, but this is the stuff for me that started it. I love this stuff before it got popular. Forza Italia, good luck Turkey. Can't wait to dig into the food. Sempre duro, up the irons.
Cheers.
Milk of the gods.
Nick is tending to the fire. I'm here by special demand with Pina. Hi, Pina.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Yourself?
I'm good. How have you been?
Oh, fine, thank you.
Are you happy to be back?
Yes.
We need your help because we're doing this Italian dish. And
Yes.
who better to ask than yourself? So if you want to be on this show, like Nick said before,
Yeah.
we have to do a lot of this, a lot of head banging. So we have to practice. You ready to
Okay.
practice?
Love.
Let's go.
Love.
Rock and roll.
Love, rock and roll.
Let's get to it.
E io sono pronta. Now, I prepare the pizza. I start with cheese, Parmesan. Okay. Run. Then, lots of mozzarella. The salsa is all prepared, and then we pour on top of the mozzarella. And when it's done, they come out of the oven, they put the basilico.
Normally you put the sauce on first, but the way she's doing it
No.
now,
Yeah, no, because if you put the salsa under the cheese, then when you eat, the mozzarella move out.
okay,
And then we put the Parmesan again. Okay, yeah.
salt, pepper.
Yeah, pepper and salt.
Okay, so I'm going to take this outside, we're going to stick it in the oven and get it going. Thank you, Ma.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It slices very nicely. Oh yeah. You gotta spin all the time. The big thing you gotta do with pizzas is you gotta constantly turn it around, because if not, you're gonna end up burning everything. So you gotta constantly spin it, and then when we're done, oh, she's looking beautiful. And when we're done, we stick it up to the chute, and we give it leopard spots is what they call it. We'll put the basil on, cut this up, and buon appetito. Mwah. See that? All right, so we spread the coals out. We got the rack on here. So now we're gonna put the chicken on, and we let it cook till it doesn't stick anymore, and then we flip it, and we do the same thing. I believe it's 4 to 6 minutes per side, and then we slowly just let it cook till all the chicken's cooked. We'll put the thermometer in, and when it's cooked, we'll take it out and start to eat. They reach the 160, we're gonna take them inside, put them on the bed that we did, and we're gonna start eating. So the kebab is finished. We're gonna add some pepper and some balsamic vinegar to the side, Then we're gonna go outside and taste this in the pizza. It's gonna be friggin' awesome. Put some balsamic glaze and some pepper. Make this thing look beautiful. Give us a nice flavor, a Mediterranean flavor, because it's all, oh my God, it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. We got the best of both worlds today. We got a beautiful, beautiful Margherita Pizza, and man, it looks fantastic. It smells great. And this Turkish chicken kebab. Oh, first time I've cooked it. Looks fabulous.
I'm not gonna lie, I had a little piece when it was in the wood oven. Nick, it's so good.
Oh, it smells fantastic. So, I guess the next thing is which one do you want to start with?
Well, obviously I'm gonna start with the pizza.
So let's start with the pizza and see where we're at. Oh, and by the way, today you're drinking a blueberry blonde.
Blueberry blonde for me.
And I'm having a vanilla porter. So before we start, sempre duro.
Sempre duro. Up the irons. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Different. What about yours?
No, very nice. I love vanilla anyways.
Nice flavor. Never had that before.
So, digging in with the pizza. Obviously, you can do a pizza in the oven. You can do it on a barbecue. You can do it, but you can't beat wood oven, man. It's just the best. Buon appetito.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm gonna fold this in half. Wow.
It just, I don't know what else to say. You
You know
just
what,
cannot beat anything done in the wood oven. It's just phenomenal, huh?
Oh.
And if you can make the most basic pizza, Margherita is the basic of all pizzas, and it tastes phenomenal. You can do a diavolo. I mean, you do whatever you want after that. But if the most basic pizza can taste phenomenal, everything else is just
Simplicity as its finest.
So if Italy performs as well as this pizza does, we're off to a good start, huh?
Most definitely. Salute, bro.
Salute.
This is going down so good.
Okay, so the pizza was a hit. And
Fantastic, Nick.
it's kind of hard to screw up a pizza, but I'm telling you, that's the way to do it in the oven. So now, this chicken kebab, oh my God,
So
it smells
the pita
fantastic.
bread, or what's that? Not pita bread.
So we use a little bit of flatbread to just absorb all the juice and everything. Now, like I said earlier, if you wanted to make a nice little wrap or a flatbread, that's why you use the sides. You put in there with some tzatziki sauce on the top, it's beautiful. But we have pizza, bread and bread, too much carbs, not good for the... We're older dudes now. We got to watch these things over here, right? Because
Yeah,
we
get fat.
Holy shit, we keep eating like this, man.
We keep doing this show, and
we're gonna get rounder and rounder as we go. So
as time goes on, we're gonna get fat.
yeah, so we got to keep this lean. So we had bread, now no bread.
All right.
All right.
Let's give it a shot. Ooh, I'm so anxious to try this. It smells fantastic.
Bring a little bit of the business beside it.
little garnish.
I'm using my fingers. You ready?
Okay, yeah, we'll use our fingers. Salute.
Salute.
Oh. Right away it hits you, the sweet, hot taste. Wow.
Wow. Pretty spicy,
Oh.
but it's so good. I mean,
so much flavor, my God. That's tasty.
especially with the So the chicken thighs add so much flavor to it. It's a nice juicy meat. It's I don't know what else to say. It turned out fantastic. Really, 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 really good.
Oh, yeah.
Really good. The hotness? No, you can't have any, Rocco. The spiciness is there, but it's there. Wow.
Oh, you have to follow it up with a nice swig of some good beer. Cheers, brother.
So obviously, if you don't like spicy food, just omit the red chili flakes. All right, so don't add any spicy stuff to it. It still tastes great. But if you like a bite, you can add more. That is more than. I'm gonna have another piece.
Well, while we continue eating, we just want to mention that we appreciate all the subscribers that have helped us out this far. And keep on subscribing, keep on liking our videos, comment. We'd love to hear from you. And to the next time, metal chopping block.
Forza Italia, up the irons. It's friggin' awesome.
Friggin' awesome.
Sempre duro, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. Oh my god, my mouth is like
good, eh?
Fantastic.
Okay, guys, I have a weird thought in my head. Anyways, okay, let's try this again. So because we're doing the pizza tonight, we're not going to make any wraps with this. But if you weren't having a pizza or whatever, and you're doing this, holy Jesus.
You know what? The best of both worlds. We have a classic Italian pizza. We've got a turkey dish.
A turkey.
Turkey dish. Well, the one great thing right now is that we got the best of both worlds. We got a fantastic Italian classic pizza and a Turkish dick.
A Turkish stick. Well, he likes all kinds of dick, but obviously he likes Turkish sticks better than all the rest, which is cool. That's bang on. We learned something about Sam today.